funny thing about control, it only exists until the road decides otherwise. You twist the throttle, shift up, lean in, and for a second you feel untouchable, like every move is yours, but then something shifts. A gust of wind hits you mid-turn, a car cuts a little too close, the asphalt changes texture, and in that split second you remember you're not controlling anything, you're just dancing with it. The throttle isn't power, it's trust. The brakes aren't safety, they're hope. Every ride is a reminder, you're never really in control. You're just learning to let go beautifully.